Keyword research tool for TikTok Shop. Yes, there are keyword research tools specifically designed to help optimize your listings on TikTok Shop. These tools identify the most searched keywords, trending hashtags, and product-related phrases that customers use on TikTok. By integrating these keywords into your product titles, descriptions, and hashtags, your listings become more discoverable to potential buyers, improving visibility and boosting sales. A good keyword research tool helps you understand audience behavior by analyzing what users are searching for in your niche. It highlights trending topics, search volumes, and engagement levels, giving you insights into which keywords can drive the most attention. This data-driven approach helps sellers align their listings with customer intent, leading to higher conversions and stronger organic reach. Many successful TikTok Shop sellers use Helium 10 as part of their keyword research and optimization strategy. While originally built for Amazon FBA, Helium 10's advanced keyword and trend analysis tools can easily be applied to TikTok Shop. Sellers use it to discover high-demand keywords, optimize their listings, and track market shifts to stay ahead of competitors, making it a valuable tool for anyone serious about e-commerce growth. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to optimize your TikTok Shop listings like a pro.